Hey guys, Jeff from Just Why, back again with another video. This one's going to be a continuation of the Rosebud. I'm doing the Sepals. I guess I'm saying that right, I have no idea. The battery died towards the end, so I got just the finished product at the end, but nothing broke. Everything came out good that way. Stay with me. I tried to fast forward through all the boring. If I wasn't saying anything worth anything, I just fast forwarded. Me and Rocky, thank you for stopping by, hang out with us, give us some feedback, likes, and comment. Thanks. Okay, so I'm just doing some final detail work on this, just to see if my microphone is better and if my video quality is better. Seems rudimentary when you're trying to experiment like this. I don't know what's going to work best. Kind of cutting this too deep, but I'm going to probably sand on this a little bit. Thought about putting a high gloss finish on it, but I don't know. Sometimes I get impatient and just want to finish. Frustrated. Terrible way to be, but I'm only doing this to please myself. If it pleases you also, then that is a win-win. Always wanted to try this, but then I'm going to try I think it's Sepals. Yeah, something like that. Google it and put it in the comments. Well, supper's ready. I gotta go. Get it to where now I can stay on target here. If you didn't get to see my last video, please check it out. Sorry about the lighting quality. Like I said, I'm working with a new setup here. This is my actual cell phone instead of the old one. But this was a Rosebud I was doing. Basically this drawing, I draw. Anyhow. What I'm wanting to do now is make it a two-piece rose, this being one color, and then I have some scrap walnut that I'm going to try to do the parts that trail off the bottom here. So, first of all, we're going to work on getting the stick down to size. And no, I didn't do any of that. I'm going to jump ahead in the track. Already getting dull, guys. Awkward to try to do and film than it is to just carve. As I get farther along, I'm going to be going for setting that down in. It needs to go into about there. Now this is a 3/8 drill bit. Okay, so sorry about the interruption. So you could see better, I cut it off. I tried to do it with my little handsaw, but it wore me out. A 3/8 inch hole down under here, and this will set much like that. When it's done. So now I'm going to bring them or mate them together. Carve it to where they'll fit pretty much perfectly and look like an actual roof. Better start to doodle. I need to divide this in 5. Or there's got to be a calculation, but I'm just kind of eyeballing. Now I'm just drawing these on here. These don't mean anything at that point. I just want to make sure that they're there so I can see them later. Then I'm going to carry the points over the edge and down. So I need to get the petals to go down. And these are not actually the points of the whatever they're called, the sepals. Okay. The only thing I'm doing those for, in the original I did them up, but I preferred, this is how I draw them, is I'll come and then I do the curves like this. They're like petals, and that's what I'm wanting to do here. I actually have an idea, and I don't know if this will work or not. I went ahead and finished without the camera going because it was the next day. And that was my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. And I'm trying not to make this run any longer. I've edited from 2 hours or 2.5 hours down to probably about 20 minutes. Hopefully I can get it under that. Love y'all. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Thanks. Bye.